Welcome back. Let us continue. First question. What was the day of the week on 16th July 1776? So the year is 1776. We have to subtract this from the century, which is multiple of 4 from this year. Therefore, 16 July 1776 can be written as 1600 plus 100 plus 75. So this will be equal to 1775 plus remaining months and days. Okay. So the year 1600 has got 0 odd days. 100 years has got 5 odd days. Now let us find out the number of odd days in 75 years. So here we have to find out the number of leap years in 75 years. So the multiple of 4 which is less than 75 is 72. 72 by 4 is equal to 18 years. Therefore, 75 years has got 18 leap years plus 75 minus 18 non-leap years. So which is equal to 18 leap years plus 57 non-leap years. We know that leap year has got 2 odd days and non-leap year or ordinary year has got 1 odd day. Therefore, it has got 18 into 2 odd days plus 57 into 1 odd day. Okay. So this is equal to 36 plus 57 odd days. So adding this we will get 93 odd days. Now you have to subtract this from multiple of 7 to find out the actual odd days. So 93 can be written as 91 is a multiple of 7. So 91 plus 2 odd days. So 91 by 7 is equal to 121. So it is 3 times. That is equal to 13 weeks plus 2 odd days. Therefore, effectively the number of odd days are 2. So 75 years has got 2 odd days. So when we add these 3, it is equal to 7 odd days. 7 odd days is equal to 1 week. Therefore, the number of odd days is 0. This is for 1600 plus 100 plus 1775. That is till 1775. The number of odd days is 0. Now you have to find out the odd days for remaining months and days. So after 1775, it has got Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. In July, 16 days because they are asking for the 16th July. In Jan, there are 31 days. In February, it can be either 28 or 29. So 1776 by 4, it is a multiple of 4. So it means it is a leap year. Therefore, February has got 29 days. March has got 31, April 30, May 31, June 30 and July 16. Now let us add the number of days here. So 31 plus 29 is 60. These two will add up to 60. The remaining is 131. There is another one here and 16. So this will be 62 plus 16. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 19. Therefore, this has got 198 days. Okay. Now 198 divided by 7 is equal to, this is equal to 2 7s are 14, 5, 58. So 8 7s are 56. So 28 weeks plus 2 days. So 198 can be written as 28 weeks plus 2 days. Therefore, the number of odd days are 0 plus 2 odd days. 0 comes from this 1775 and from the remaining months and days we have got 2 odd days. So effectively the number of odd days are 2 odd days, which is equal to 2 odd days. We know that for 0 odd days it is Sunday, for 1 odd day it is Monday and for 2 odd days it is Tuesday. Therefore, the day of the week is Tuesday. So the answer is option B, Tuesday. Okay. Here you have to split the number of years as per multiple of 4th century and the remaining years and the remaining months and days. You have to find out the number of hot days for each category and effectively find the total number of hot days. So in this case, the total number of hot days for this first 3, that is till 1775, is 0 odd days, and for the remaining months and days, the number of hot days is 2. So effectively, the number of hot days is 2 odd days. 2 odd days corresponds to the day Tuesday. So the answer is option B, Tuesday. Okay. Here you have to make sure that the years calculated are whether it is with respect to leap year or non-leap years. Okay. We shall go to next question. What was the day of the week on 15th August 1947? Okay. So we can write this as 15 August 1947. This is equal to 1600 plus 300. This is equal to 1900 plus 46 years plus remaining months and days. Okay. So 1600 years has got 0 odd days. Next, 300 has got 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. Therefore, 15 minus multiple of 7, 14 is equal to 1. Therefore, 300 has got 1 odd day. Next, 46. The multiple of 4 less than 46 is 44. 44 by 4 is equal to 11. Therefore, 46 years is equal to 11 leap years plus 46 minus 11 non-leap years. 11 leap years has got 11 into 2 odd days plus 46 minus 11 is equal to 35 non-leap years. So that is 35 into 1 odd days. So this is nothing but 22 plus 35, which is equal to 57 odd days. Okay. Next, 57 can be written as 56 plus 1 odd day, because 56 is a multiple of 7. So this is equal to 7 8s are 56. Therefore, 8 weeks plus 1 odd day. Therefore, in these 46 years, there is only 1 odd day. Next, we have to find out the remaining days. The remaining days are Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August. January has got 31 days. February, this is a non-leap year, therefore it is 28 days. March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August it is 15 days. So let us add the number of days. So 1 plus 8 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7, 17. Okay, 3 3s are 9, again 3 3s are 9, 18, 18 plus 4, 22. Therefore it has got 227 odd days. So 227 can be divided by 7 and find out the remainder. 227 by 7. 3 7s are 21, 1, 7. 2 7s are 14. The balance is 3. Therefore, 227 days can be written as 32 weeks plus 3 odd days. Therefore, effectively, in the remaining days, there are 3 odd days. So, in total, there are 1 plus 1 plus 3 odd days, which is equal to 5 odd days. We know that for Sunday it is 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday it is 4, Friday it is 5, and Saturday it is 6. This corresponds to the odd days. So in our case, the number of odd days is 5, which corresponds to Friday. Therefore, the answer is Friday. Option A, Friday. Okay, you can go through the steps once again and try to understand it better. Next question. What was the day of the week on 4th June 2002? So we can write 4th June 2002 as 2000 years plus 1 year plus remaining days. Okay, we know that 2000 year has got 0 odd days. In 1 year, let us find out the number of odd days. So 1 year is equal to 365. We shall divide this by 7. 365 7. So 5 sevens are 35, 1 5, 2 sevens are 14. So 365 days has got 52 weeks plus 1 day. Therefore, in 1 year there are 1 odd day. Let us calculate the number of odd days in the remaining days. So remaining days are in January 31, February it is 28 as it is a non-leap year. 2002 is a non-leap year. March 31, April 30, May 31, June it is 4 days. So we shall add together 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 15, 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 6 15. So there are 155 days. So 155 days can be written as, we shall divide this by 7, 155 by 7. 2 sevens are 14, 1 5, again 2 sevens are 14. The balance is 1. So 155 days can be written as 22 weeks plus 1 day. Therefore, in the remaining days there is 1 odd day. So total it is 1 plus 1, that is 2 odd days. Therefore, 2 corresponds to Tuesday, that is for Sunday it is 0, Monday it is 1, Tuesday it is 2. So the answer is option A, Tuesday. Okay. Next question. On what dates of March 2005 did Friday fall? Okay. So let us try to find out the day on 1st March 2005. So this can be written as 2000 plus 4 plus remaining days. Okay. We know that the number of odd days in 2000 is 0. Next. In 4 years there are 1 leap year and 3 non-leap years. That is 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. 2004 is a leap year and all other 3 are non-leap year. Therefore, there are 2 odd days in 1 leap year plus 3 odd days in 3 non-leap years. Therefore, in total it is 5 odd days. Therefore, in these 4 years there are 5 odd days. Let us find out the number of odd days in remaining days. So, remaining days corresponds to Jan 31, Feb, this is a non-leap year, that is 2005 is a non-leap year, therefore it is 28. In March there is 1 day. So total is 31 plus 28 plus 1, it is 60 days. So we can write 60 as 60 divided by 7, which corresponds to 8 sevens are 56, 4. Therefore 60 days is equal to 8 weeks plus 4 days. So in the remaining days there are 4 odd days. Okay. So total number of odd days is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9 odd days, which again corresponds to 9 minus 7, which is equal to 2 odd days. So 2 corresponds to Tuesday. Okay. Therefore 1st March 2005 corresponds to Tuesday. So they are asking on what dates of March 2005 did Friday fall. So Friday should correspond to 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. That is 4 March 2005 is a Friday. Therefore 4th March 2005 is a Friday. So our answer should be option C. Here it is 4 plus 7, here it is 4 plus 14, here it is 4 plus 21, which are multiples of 7. Therefore the dates 4, 11, 18, 25 on March 2005 will be Friday. The answer is option C. Okay. Next question. For a certain month, the dates of 3 of the Sundays are even numbers. Then the 15th of the month falls on a which day? Okay. So they are saying 3 Sundays are falling on even numbers. So let us start with 2. Okay. So Sunday starts with 2. The next Sunday will be 9. The next one will be 9 plus 7, 16. Again 16 plus 7 is 23. Again 23 plus 7 is 30. So there are 3 Sundays possible. Now let us check for the number 4. So if Sunday is starting on 4, then this will be 11, this will be 18, this will be 25, and this will be 32, which is not possible. Therefore, the only option is 2, 16 and 30. Therefore, 16 falls on a Sunday. Therefore, 15th of that month should fall on a Saturday. Therefore, the answer is option C, Saturday. We will finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.